In this video, we are going to see how we can check the location history in Google Maps. So let's say that you have been to different places and now you want to check the Google Maps history. Here's how you can easily do it. And the basic and the most easiest way of doing this is if you want to just explore the recent locations that you have typed in Google Maps, just click on the search here option and you will get all the options here mostly. And even if you want to explore some more that is not actually recently searched for, but some times back, so click on more for more recent history. So this is the list for the current and the previous searches. This one is for today and the other one is for the previous searches. And the other thing that you can do is, let's say that you have searched and saved different locations in the timeline. If you've used that feature, just go to the top right hand corner, click on the profile and click on your timeline. Whatever is saved, make sure the timeline is enabled. As you can see, my timeline is on. So whatever I've saved as a location, it will show up all the locations right here. So this can show you all of the trips if you have saved them in your timeline. And not only that, you can just specify as any specific date if you have saved that timeline, and you can easily go to that locations or follow that locations. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.